Hello, and welcome to Your Life Choices Simplifying Technology series. I'm Anne, and today we've got some simple tips to help you take some great pictures and truly make the most of your iPhone or iPad. The first tip we have for you today is the screenshot function, which allows you to easily take a picture of whatever is on the screen of your device. To do this, unlock your device by pressing the power button. The power button can be found on top of your iPhone or iPad. Unless you're using an iPhone 6, you'll find the power button here on the side. So press the button and swipe to unlock. Then go to the page that you'd like to take a screenshot of. Now, hold down the power button and press the home button, located here. You will see a flash and hear a shutter sound. Your screenshot will be saved to your camera roll, and we'll show you how to find it a little bit later on. Our next tip will help you take better quality photos. A little known feature of the iPhone and iPad is that the volume plus button, located here, also doubles as a shutter button when you have the camera app open. This feature means that you can hold your iPhone steady when taking photos, just like a normal camera. To test this out, open up your camera app, rotate your phone, and place your finger on the volume plus button. When you're ready, take the photo and you're done. Another important part of taking a great photo is knowing how to find and to use the crop tool. So, open up the photo you've just taken by going into the photo app and into the camera roll. So, tap the edit button and then the crop tool, which is located here. And then you'll be able to just tap and drag to create the photo that you want. Press the crop tool and everything outside of the frame will disappear, and then press save. You now have the photo you want. You can undo this crop at any stage by going back into the crop tool and recropping as you wish. And that's all there is to it. Our last tip today is great for those of you who own an iPad. Let me show you how you can use your tablet as a digital photo frame. To do this, unlock your iPad, go to the Photos app, and then select the album you'd like to view. Select Slideshow at the top right-hand side, and then Start Slideshow. Your iPad is now a beautiful digital photo frame. You can stop the slideshow at any time by pressing on the slide and go back the way you came. Thank you for watching the first instalment in the Your Life Choices Simplifying Technology series. You now have the skills at hand to enable you to capture a screenshot, take better quality photos, crop images, and turn your iPad into a digital photo screen. If you found this information useful, please feel free to share it with a friend, and in the comments section below, let us know if there are any other tutorials you'd like to see in the future. Thanks again for watching, and bye for now.